for today's video, first gift ko ibibigay kay Madam Christian. From our 3D friends. Yes. So imagine guys, sila pa ang unang naanuhan, nagawa ni Kitty Pie kaysa akin. Gano'n namin kamahal ang aming kaibigan. Shout out kay Madam Busyang. So, i-video natin siya mamaya guys kung ano ang reaction niya pag makita niya ito. So, hindi muna natin ngayon bubuksan. No? Of course, siya ang una. Dapat makakita kung ano to. Yes! Si Madam Busyang. O, diba? Pakita mo muna, Madam Bush. Siya talaga ang unang nakapag-ano niyan guys. Oo. Siya talagang una niya nakapag... What's this? Wait, Madam. Wait, Madam. So guys, nandiyan na yan guys. Nagustuhan mo ba, Madam Bush?
So nice guys, grabe to. Ano,
I-stand mo, Madam.
expertise of
Uy, alam mo ba? Ikaw
Madam
ang
Dayan
unang
Studio.
ginawa ni Kitty Pie kaysa akin. Wala pa akong ganyan.
Thank you
Uy, naman na si Madam Bush
thank you to
guys.
my
Oh.
principal sponsor.
Uy, nagnakaw kami.
I so really love this one guys. Si Obra Maestro of Cutie Pie and Madam Dayan Studio.
Pero
Meron talaga yan.
actually, this is, gusto niya to first. Sabi ko, pangit. Mas gusto ko yung for white. Gumawa naman siya ng
Kaya dalawa talaga.
Kaya
ang
dinalawa na
style.
lang niya.
Sabi siyang
Pero ang
18.
picture talaga, Madam.
Panalo talaga ng picture ko.
So, diba?
Diba?
Ang ganda. So,
And-
basahin. At saka
Ito,
effortless to, Madam. Lahat ginawa to namin, Madam. Ha? Wala kami binili.
Thank you for being such
So, lahat
amazing.
ito, pating-tipar. Nagkating-kating pa kami.
Sana
Lahat
all.
personalized. O,
Sana all,
diba?
signature
O, diba? Basahin mo yan from the bottom of our heart.
Yeah, thank you for being such an amazing friend. We wanted to celebrate our special bond of creating a custom 3D printed decorative piece just for you, just for Busyang 18. Made with all our love. It's as unique as our friendship and can never be replicated. So true, guys. It's only from
Yes.
Cutie Pie and Dayan Studio. We hope this gift brings a smile to your face and remind you of all the wonderful memories we share. Take care, stay safe, and always remember how much you mean to us. So cute, so lovely, so touching.
After namin nagkubra. Nandito kami sa experience the taste of Korea here inside of the Madam Alwada Mall. So guys, this is the one. Be, ikaw na magsalita. So guys, ito yung pinaka-pugi nilang staff dito. Yun oh. Oh, see? So be, ano ngayon ang mayroon kasi it's a Thursday.
Korean barbecue, ma'am, plus unlimited. Okay.
Yes, kasi guys, it's a Thursday. But if Friday, be,
Friday, ma'am, 49.
so if Friday guys, 49. So dapat pupunta kayo na hindi weekend, no? So yung may mga trabaho dyan, mag-day off muna kayo ngayon. Diyos ko, ang sarap ang madami. Shout out! Yes, kasi it's a Thursday. Yay! Ang shout out sa mga staff. Ito yung mga staff. 39 Korean. Saan limited? Shout out kay Madam Bush. Subscribe our channel. Subscribe our channel.
Dayan Studio.
So, magdadawa. Is this you? Ay, hindi ako yan. This is you. Bakit? Edited ba dyan or filter? O, di ba, Madam Bush? Mayroon din siya, be. Kita-kita ko yung regalo ko sa'yo. O, di ba? Fish bite, madam. Si Madam Busyang ay ipatry natin. Ang ganda ng ambience namin, guys.
Facing the bus station.
So this is the bus station of Al-Wada going to Dubai. So guys, ito lang. Sa nagutom dyan, pwede na kayong pumunta dito. Yeah, Madam Bush. For today. Madam Bush, how's the soap, madam?
Masarap.
Na. Pakain pa kami.
Second day.
Mayroon pa kami isang oras. Busog na busog kami. Shut up. Si Madam Bush
So
yan.
guys, grabe, nabusog talaga ako. Thank you to our sponsor, Madam Joyce Europe Black.
So dito pa guys, may Jollibee.
And of course, Sir Kitty Fire.
Thank you guys. Yan ang ano namin ni Madam Bush. Ang duty pa si Madam Bush yan. Thank you for watching.